Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Forte oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's display menu. Look for the service interval or maintenance option. This is where you'll find the settings related to your oil life monitor. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Once you've found the service interval option, select it by pressing the OK button on your steering wheel. Then, you'll see an option to reset or reset service interval. Select this option. The system will likely ask you to confirm your choice. Confirming will initiate the reset process for your oil light. This ensures your vehicle's maintenance reminder is accurate. After confirming, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. If you wish, you can also adjust the service interval settings, such as the mileage or time until the next service. This allows you to customize the reminder based on your driving habits or preferred maintenance schedule. It's a good practice to set it according to your oil change frequency. Remember, only reset the oil light after you've actually performed an oil change. Resetting it without changing the oil can lead to engine issues. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your model. If the oil light remains on after following these steps, it might indicate a more serious problem, and you should seek professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.